Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SOHINI CHANDA and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna create this beautiful look. It's an nude Eid makeup look. It's very easy, by the way. You can definitely skip the base and do the eye makeup, but this turned out so well, right? I'm super excited for today's video just because this is my subscribers and followers pick up my makeup challenge, and I have created this stunning look using all the products you guys selected. So if you guys want to know what are the products you selected and how I create this look, then please keep on watching. Alright you guys, this is how I created this look using all the products you have selected, and thank you guys for doing that. The vote means a lot to me, and do let me know if you guys like this look or not. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and also comment down below your thoughts about the look, and also Eid Mubarak to all of you out there. And I'm going to mention all the product details down in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out, and I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.